Hi everyone, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So if you watched my Gold Rush 21 SLC birthday celebration on August 23rd, I had mentioned about my dining room and where I purchased everything and what I'm going to be doing in here. Well, as you see, the tables have not arrived. Hopefully upload this video, they will be here and set up. So what I've been doing off and on as my back and my neck allows it, I have been going through, and I'll put a clip up real quick just to show you briefly what's on the table, and then over on my little buffet stand. Been going out in the garage and finding all my fabulous fall pieces. This is one of my favorites. And over here on my stand, I am trying to clear through pieces that I know I will not be using this fall. These are staying because I do use these for the winter part. I'm not sure about these items right here. And then it goes all the way down. And I'm going to be breaking that down through the video. And then I have basically like all my fabulous gold decor dishes, my beautiful dessert cups, I call them. They could be. And mostly all these dishes have been thrifted. Some are Dollar Tree mixed in, but most of them, I would say like 95% are thrifted. This is all thrifted and it's vintage, going all the way down. I do have some home good items in here, and I did a lot of cleaning before I started this video because I really don't want it to be too long, but I am a talker and I like to be detailed about what I have, being that this is a new series that I'm starting, and just to show you some of the things, and I'm so in love with my items. And this is vintage, this is all thrift, and like you see, I just put these up today. These are Dollar Tree from last year. So what I'm going to be doing is cleaning out, getting some of these things packed up, and getting organized. You know, because when I first moved in and got these and got them put together, I was just throwing stuff up, like a lot of my good dishes, so they didn't get broken. But now today I am going to organize. Okay, and again, this is the table. We're going to get all of this unpacked. I'm not doing a table on the video for you, but I'm just showing you some of my fall items. Now we're going to go over here. I found some more fabulous stuff. My beautiful pumpkins. And I know I have more stuff. I'm missing like 2 of these glasses. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing. It's not going to probably be all in this video. I'm going to be working through, but I am going to get a start on it today. And this is my living room. So I hope you enjoy this new series that I'm doing, and it is my dining room. And I'm going to be decluttering, getting a lot of my dishes put back in the garage for off season. And we're going to be getting the table ready for the fall. And the other tables should be coming soon. Okay, everyone, I have just loaded the dishwasher. I have all my fabulous fall dishes that I can find right now in the garage. These were all unpacked recently, and I bought them in the house, and I think you've seen that in the last segment. So I think I'm still missing a few pumpkins. So I'm gonna get this load started. Excuse my counter, but this is the load that just came out. I do have some fall dishes, but this is what I am doing today, and then we'll get this all put away when I come back. Please make sure to come over and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give me a lovely like, and don't forget to leave me a fabulous comment. I love the comments. That gives me inspiration and motivation, and it lets me know that you are interested in the content here over at If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Make sure to tell your girlfriends, tell your friends, tell your co-workers about my channel. I have close to almost 500 videos. What you think you may be looking for, I most likely probably have it on my channel. So I will see y'all in my next video of how we get all of this organized, put up, and rearranged and decluttered for the fall of 2021. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, I am super excited. I just got done filming the Dollar Tree Tuesday video. I was laying in the bed, almost had to go get my son, and he said, "Mom, you don't have to come get me, I got a ride." So I got underneath the blankets, and then I heard this boom, boom, and look what just came, y'all. Look what just came. My tables. I ain't got no business lifting these with my neck, but I'm gonna get them out from the front porch.